Animals, also called metazoa, are multicellular, eukaryotic organisms in the biological kingdom Animalia. With few exceptions, animals consume organic material, breathe oxygen, are able to move, can reproduce sexually, and go through an ontogenetic stage in which their body consists of a hollow sphere of cells, the blastula, during embryonic development. Over 1.5 million living animal species have been described, of which around 1 million are insects, but it has been estimated there are over 7 mil. Most living animal species are in bilateria, a clade whose members have a bilaterally symmetric body plan. The bilateria include the protostomes, containing invertebrates such as nematodes, arthropods, and mollusks, and the deuterostomes, containing the echinoderms and the chordates, the latter including the vertebrates.